Hello friends, I'm Esan from eBangaloreproperty.com. This is Cozy Home number 83, a brand new independent house located in Banashankari 6-stage BDA layout. It comes after RajaRajeshwari Nagar. From RajaRajeshwari Nagar Arch and metro station, it is just 5 kilometers inside off Uttarahalli main road. 2030 BDA allotted site, west facing, north facing main door, all planned as per Vastu. Ground floor you have a large parking with anti-skid tiles, 2x2 design. This house is a very different house. It comes with marble flooring. Normally everybody is doing granite in this area, but this is having marble. Ground floor car parking, one small room with a common bathroom. We'll see later in the video this portion. Let's see the main house. Gas cylinder provision is there. Above triplex house with additional home theater. Totally 4 rooms are there. 4th room is designed like a home theater with wooden flooring. This is the main door, north facing, all planned as per Vastu. So you have a Rajasthan Katni marble flooring here, light color. Compared to granite, it is costly flooring. Living room, TV unit, puja room with designing. POP false ceiling LED lighting is included. 30 feet wide tar road is there in front. Cauvery water line is there and supply is also there. Own borewell is there in this property. 2200 square feet of super built up area. So this floor you have living, kitchen, common bathroom and bedroom. Kitchen in the southeast corner and it comes with utility. Stainless steel baskets. Light colors have been used in this house for the interiors. And you have a stainless steel sink. This is the utility area. Above rooms are bigger. This room is meant for aged members of the family. So you can have a small queen size cot. And wardrobes are sliding. Dressing mirror. There is a window in the corner for ventilation. And right outside you have a common bathroom here. Jaguar and Serra brand fittings will be provided. Toilet, shower, diverter, hand wash basin. Anchor brand switches and wiring. Stainless steel railing in the center and you have a dual color flooring for the staircase. We have reached the second floor. Second floor in the center, here you have a study table, 2 bedrooms with 2 attached bathrooms. This is master bedroom, roadside facing. Wardrobe, attached bathroom and balcony is there. This is the third bedroom. Corner window. From the utility area you saw below, you have a full duct open to sky. From there this ventilation is coming. Dressing area and attached bathroom. And this is the third floor. In third floor you have this 4th room. It is designed like a home theater with wooden flooring. You can use it as an additional guest room if required. Also there is a common bathroom on this floor. Remaining terrace area. This video was shot in the late evening. So it is dark already at the time of this shoot. Washing machine can be kept here. Now we are on the ground floor. Ground floor parking One large car and multiple two-wheelers can be parked, and this is a single room with a bathroom. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.